what the first rates actually threw up as. And it's a green start for sure. You are seeing 0.5% of an uptick. We are well above the 19,500 print. And given that yesterday we saw a breach of 19,400 on the downside, this is definitely a sure relief. Hindalco, Tata Motors, ICICI Bank, DRL, Asian Paints, TCS, Infosys, they're all a sea of green. HDFC Bank recovers further. A 1% uptick is what you're seeing on that stock. ICICI Bank, and I think it's the first time this week that you're seeing any green on ICICI Bank. 935 is where that stock is, a gain of about 0.6%. I want to see what Axis Bank is up to, considering that really got pounded yesterday. That weakness continues. So Axis is still lower, 0.5%, 990 is where that stock is. So let's see what happens on those rates going forward. Let's also talk about Reliance, considering that too has been weighing heavy on the markets. Let's see whether the recovery in the market is rubbing off. Actually, nothing. Reliance is doing nothing right now. 2316 is where that stock is. Absolutely flat, with at best only a marginal uptick coming in. So flat as flat can be. Let's talk about all the movers then in trade. And let's see what Hero MotoCorp is up to. They've had a good count of 13,688 bookings for their Charisma XMR. The deliveries are going to commence this month, so that's one stock which is in focus. Bandhan Bank came out with a strong Q2 update. The CASA ratio has seen an uptick, and that stands at 38.5% versus a comparable of 36% on a sequential basis. Deposits as well are higher by nearly about 13%. There's RBL Bank as well, wherein the deposit growth is coming as the best in about 8 quarters. RBL is holding up 2% as we speak right now. PNB too, the advances have seen an uptick of about 14% nearly. That stock is well higher by about 1%. And similar is the picture for a JNK Bank, for a Suryodaya SFB. All these have posted very strong quarterly updates. JNK as well, holding up 2% higher as we speak right now. Check in on what Marico is up to, because they are the ones wherein the volumes for the second quarter have grown in low single digits. 3% is the kind of gap down that you're seeing on Marico, and maybe it's going to be rubbing off on the likes of a Dabur as well. Let's see what Dabur is up to. Yeah, Dabur as well starts off flat. Navin Fluorine, that stock as well starts off in the red. The search is underway for an MD replacement. There's a Jeffrey downgrade as well coming in after the current MD put in his resignation. That stock has gapped down about 3.6%. as we speak right now. For ABB, there is a upgrade from Axis Capital. They're recommending a buy on this one. L&T Finance, the retail loan book, has continued to scale up. So that's another stock which is in focus. And then Divi's Labs. Bernstein has initiated an underperform with a target price of 30.64. Divi's as well starts off in the red as we speak right now.